Hi, I'm Shawnee, and today we are transferring books from cloudLibrary to a Kobo e-reader. We are using a Windows 10 computer. You will need your library card number and your library PIN number as well. Let's get started. Step 1. Turn on your Kobo and plug your Kobo into your computer. Check the Kobo's screen and tap Connect to tell the Kobo to connect to the computer. Step 2. Open your internet browser. Whatever you use to get to Google is fine. Step 3. Search for yourcloudlibrary.com. Step 4. Click on Accessing cloudLibrary Digital Library Collection. Step 5. Find your library. Use the drop-down menus shown on screen to find the Kawartha Lakes Public Library. Start by selecting Country, Canada, Province, Ontario, and the library. Step 6. Click on the green Login button at the top of the page and enter in your library card number, all the numbers, no spaces, and your library PIN number. If you do not know your library PIN number, please contact the library. Step 7. Choose a book. You can borrow up to 10 books at a time. Step 8. Click Borrow, then click Download for offline reading. Step 9. Open Adobe Digital Editions. It should be on your main computer screen, or it will be in your Start menu. If you do not have it on your computer, click the link in the description box below to watch our video guide on how to install Adobe Digital Editions on your computer. Step 10. Click File, then click Add to Library. Step 11. Go to the Downloads folder. Step 12. Change the drop-down menu here to Adobe. Step 13. Click once on the book and click Open. The book will be added to your bookshelf. Step 14. Click Library to go back to your bookshelf. Step 15. Click and hold on the book. Drag it to where your Kobo is listed on the left-hand side. If you are struggling with this, you can right-click on the book and select Copy to Computer/Device. Then click on your e-reader in the list. Step 16. Eject your e-reader from the computer. Click on the up-pointing arrow down beside the date and time. Click on the icon that says Safely Remove Hardware and Eject Media. Now, unplug your Kobo. If you need more help, please contact us by email at libraryyadministration@kawarthalakeslibrary.ca or call us at 705-324-9411 extension 1291.